so tired. I'm in very deep sleep. When I had my bell rank, this is what I bought from Shein. What I bought from Shein. I saw something. This is not all. This is some of it. I saw this on Shein. I decided to buy it. This is for my baby. Oh, this is very good. This can serve as a towel for my baby. I just bought it to serve as a towel for now because I don't know what to buy as a towel. So this is it. When I was buying this, my husband don't like this thing. the horn, this thing here. So he said if I buy it, he will cut it. So let's be going first. I don't know about it. So this will serve as a towel for my baby. This one as a towel. This is very nice. If you're looking at it, it's very, very nice. Very soft. It's very soft. So this can serve as a towel for my beautiful baby. I don't know what this thing is. I said let me just buy it. I don't know what this. They said this hand towel, but I bought it so that it can serve as a maybe mouth wipe. This small hanky you can use for babies for wiping their mouth. So I saw this and I bought it. So this can serve as it. This one I bought it as baby cover. You see, I bought this. It will serve as cover. Like maybe if I'm taking my baby out, I can use this to cover my baby. Just to cover the passeggino, the baby carrier. So I saw it too and I liked it. So I decided to get it. This can serve as cover. What else is here? Wow. I got all these things I bought. So I saw this female hair, this hair cover. So I decided to get it. This is cap. It's looking small. Why is it looking this small? Oh, wow, this is very small. So manage it like that. So I bought this too. I bought this one cap for myself. It's black, red, and navy blue. So no, this peg is too small. I saw this peg and I loved it. I decided to buy it, but it's looking big. It's looking big in the camera, but small. It's too small. Can this one hold clothes for you? No. I saw it. They said 30 pieces, right? Is it up to 30? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. It's very small. I wasn't expecting it to be this small. This is very, very, very small. But I'll try it. I think it can hold. Look at how small it is. It's very small. I think it can hold. What else is here? Okay. I saw this hair dryer decided to get it to try it if it will. Well, this thing serves my hair dryer, because my hair dryer, this thing is very, the mouth is big. I decided to buy it to know whether it will help me to be combing my natural hair. Finding it a bit difficult to comb my hair these days. So I saw it, I said, let me try one, let me buy one and try it. So I was finding it difficult to comb my hair, so I think this is the, I saw this towel too. Saw this towel too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Saw this towel too. This towel is to clean. Why I bought it, because of what they wrote, it dissolves water and cleans very well, you understand. So I just decided to just get this one. And it's also soft. I think I can use this for my baby too. I think so. So what else is here? I saw this baby hairband. So I saw this hairband and I decided to buy it. It's for babies. For my baby girl. See it. Very beautiful. I love this. Yay, beautiful. Can you see? This is so beautiful. So this is it. I decided to get it for my baby because my baby is gonna be a girl. Me, they are sure, I'm not sure. I've already started buying for girls. I bought, well, I'm very sure of this one. This is a baby girl. You can't wear this for a man. So this is it. Is there another thing inside? This is the last thing. So I saw this shoe and I decided to try it. Oh, this shoe is not small. I told you people 40. Why is 43 looking this small? Jesus Christ. Oh my God, this 43 is too small. This 43 is looking small. Okay. No. This 43 is very small now.
Never failed me yet. Never failed me yet. Jesus Christ has never failed me yet. There is one thing I know it like I know my name. Wherever I go, Jesus Christ never failed me yet. You've never disappointed me yet. Never failed me yet. Jesus never failed me yet. There is one thing I know. Wherever I go, Jesus never failed me yet. Odigo Yagina Yana Yes, the streams of joy in the zone of Kuria. Odigo Yagina Yana I have seen the Lord's goodness, His mercy and compassion. I have seen the Lord's goodness. Hallelujah, praise the Lord. Yes, see how far you brought. Yes, I'm And you've proven yourself
in my
in my
life,
life.
and I've come to realize that you're too faithful to fail me. You've proven yourself in my life, and I've come to realize that you're too faithful to fail me. You're too faithful to fail me. You're too faithful to fail me. Yes, Jesus, you're too faithful. You're too faithful to disappoint me.
You have proven yourself. You've proven yourself in my life. And I've come to realize
You're too faithful to fail me.
you are who you are. Yesterday,
Yes,
today, and forevermore.
what you say is what you do. Yeah.
You never fail. You can never change Jesus.
You never fail. You never change.
You are faithful.
Faithful to
Faithful God.